here with the work truck again, and well, it rained, it rained a lot. But now the back's been dropped 2 inches, roughly 2 inches, about 1.5 inches. Time to do some more work back there. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do back here is take care of this open space, because, well, it can be a problem. Now if you have some of the 73 to 80 models, they have a little plate back there. It kind of helps. And I told you I want to do some aerodynamics. I'm not 100% sure if what I'm about to do will help the aerodynamics at all. But the biggest benefit of what I'm about to do is it'll keep all that mud and dirt from slinging back there, getting tucked up under those rolls, on the exhaust, around the shackle, and all it caked up right there in that back bumper. You have these trucks, you know you have to get a power washer and wash it off, because it builds up after you drive it through mud. All the water slings, stuff from the road slings up there, salt, whatever they use on the roads during the winter, all that. So I'm going to try to do something there. Now this is old blue here, and you can see it does have one right here, kind of. Can still see the shackle there. You can still quite a bit of it. I'll try to improve off of this. So it does look a little crude, but this might work. So here's what I'm working with now. Got it kind of rolled over there, rolled into there. Hit it a little bit more. Get that tucked in. Use factory bolt holes here. Of course, try to drill that hole in wood. You know what? I hit the hole in the middle there. Got a little gap here. Not a big deal. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now the fun part is trying to replicate it on this side. It's just reversed. I could have took the other piece and kind of reversed imaged it, but my luck doesn't work so well sometimes. So I'm going to just try to replicate it using some of the measurements and going from there. Hopefully it works. This one's a little bit off, but if you can see, I think it'll be alright. Because what I'm going to do, sand all this down, sand the backside a little bit. I'm going to put undercoating, kind of make it blend in. Alright, so there it is, undercoated. I'm thinking about later, eventually, maybe do something to fill that gap as well when I do this one. And then just fill all that in. For now, I think that's a good improvement. Now here's this part. It's going to move around and flap a little bit, but you see that little hole there? It's right there. Put that in there so when I go to work I can shear a piece of metal and bring it up somewhere up on the bottom side of the bed on one of the frame rails of the bed and bolt it to, and keep the correct angle I want on both sides, make them the same, and also keep it from flexing and moving. Alright, there it is. Undercoated, all that good stuff blends right in. I think it'll be alright. It's going to take more than just a dry body to notice it. Maybe it'll help aerodynamics. I don't know. But at least it'll help with all the mud and dirt getting up back there. Now, I did plan on doing the other side of the rear wheel, but unfortunately ran out of time because another project came up in the middle of this that I had to take care of real quick. So my time was cut short. So that's all I can do today, but you know what? Still getting stuff off my list to get done to the work truck. Still got plenty more to do to it. So stick around because you're going to want to see it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. As always, thanks for watching.